In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the split toning look in Lightroom Classic. Split toning, or as it's called in the newer versions, color grading, is an incredible tool that can add a whole new dimension to your photos. It allows you to subtly or dramatically alter the mood of your image by separately adjusting the color tones in your highlights and shadows. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, open your photo in Lightroom Classic and ensure you're within the Develop module. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to access all the editing features you need. Once you're there, look for the split toning panel if you're using an older version of Lightroom. However, in the latest versions, you'll find this feature under the color grading panel, but don't worry, the principles remain largely the same. Now, let's break down the components. Within this panel, you have the option to adjust both the highlights and shadows separately. For the highlights section, the first thing you'll need to do is move the hue slider. You can think of hue as the backbone color spectrum. By dragging this slider, you choose the color tone that will be applied to the brighter parts of your image. It might help to aim for colors that complement the theme or mood you're going for. Once you've selected a hue that suits your vision, it's time to play with the saturation slider. This adjusts how intense or pronounced that chosen color will be. A lower saturation gives a more subtle effect, while a higher saturation can make your image pop with vivid colors. Next, let's shift our focus to the shadows section, where the steps are quite similar. Begin by moving the hue slider to decide on the color for the darker areas of your photo. Followed by this, tweak the saturation slider to determine how strong the hue will appear. It's all about finding the right balance that enhances your image without overwhelming it. An important tool at your disposal in this panel is the balance slider. This tool gives you control over the weighting of your color adjustments. Sliding it towards the positive side will prioritize or boost the influence of your highlight color choice. Conversely, moving it toward the negative end will emphasize the shadow tones more. Balance is key here. It can drastically change the feel of your image, so take your time to find the sweet spot. By applying these adjustments, you're not just changing colors, you're telling a story. With practice and experimentation, split toning can bring out the emotional depth and richness in your photography that you might have never imagined possible. Enjoy the creative process and happy editing.